welcome guys. So this is the Leetcode section. This is the count price. So basically this is very simple that suppose someone give you 10 then you output 4, that means that there are 4 price less than 10. Okay, so this is called the sieve method. So sieve method is the very old technique in the number theory. So basically if you want to count price, you just first delete the power of 2, then you go to next, you see 3, and then you delete the number which is divisible by 3, and then you go to the next, you see 4, and the 4 is already deleted by 2. Then you see 5, then you just cancel all the number divisible by 5, except for 5. Then you go to 6, and 6 is already be deleted. Then you go 7, and then you cancel all the number which is divisible by 7 except for 7 itself, and then you keep going. Okay, so this is the very old code I write. So basically we first from I to n plus 1, I just let all be false, and then from I to range, I said if price I is false, then we just count the next one, and if we start from j, so j is the first prime, right? And so when 2 to I 2, when it's ji, so this is basically all the numbers which is divisible by j less than n. Then I say prime to j to I be true. Then I let j, I add j. So from I2, I go to 3, and I go to 5, and go to 7. Okay. So basically this is the code. Okay, so how about try it? Okay, so it's somewhat long, but you can still solve these problems. Okay, so I think this is good for today, and I will see you guys in the next interesting videos.